Hello, good morning. So here we have something very truly interesting. So basically, I managed to put together a useful and highly sophisticated indicator, which basically, very basic terms, it's able to show you on chart in the panel, only in the panel, the cyclicality of the market. So if you are on gold 1 hour, it's quite useful, perhaps also on longer time frames, because then you are able to see the long-term cyclicality of the thing that you are trading. And now you see what is the curve. Now we are on the gold dollar chart. You can see this black line. It's shaping a sine or cosine phase that you can decide how. Now you can see all the waves, okay, all the periodic function, which are sine or cosine periodic functions, and you have a bunch of things which are a bit it seems a bit messy, because I'm customizing the thing now live while I'm recording. So what do you have here? You have the a series of signals, which is the cyclical signal, the phase signal, the sigma of the cyclicality. The sigma of the cyclicality, it basically it shows you the volatility of the cyclicality. So I was able to transform the simple standard deviation with the Fourier transform. Okay, so the concept is this: you take this Ornstein Hornbeck stochastic differential equation. You have your mu, your average price with respect to time derivative. You have your sigma, which is the volatility with respect to time derivative, and you have the standard Wiener process, and basically you transform it with an inverse Fourier transform. You take you take this equation, then you use an inverse Fourier transform, and basically that's the magic that happens here. So the price, what you see, the candle bars in the price, the trading chart, it becomes a sine and cosine wave function signal. Okay, now we are approaching, it's showing you a very important signal in gold, where we have here the black line. I'll try to make it larger. Okay, bear with me. Okay, no, let me use this. Okay, let's squeeze in. Bear with me. Okay, so now we can see exactly. Here we have this black line, which is the cycle phase in percentages. Okay, here we have this red line. You can color anything you want. It's the signal line. It's like a MACD oscillator. Okay, instead of taking the moving average, we have applied trigonometry into the price charts. Okay, these are very sophisticated things. Should not be showing you. Okay, here you have cycle, period, smoothing, and you have phase wave reconstructed fast Fourier transform, and you can waveform. You can choose between, of course, sine and cosine. Okay, very simple things. It's all customizable. It all comes in the panel, indicators, etc, etc, etc. Okay, now it's test to load the data, because we switched the thing. Just give it a second. So here we have it. You see here that the cyclical phase of gold prices, it's about to cross the signal line, the cyclical signal. okay? And so that will means that you will have, like this curve here, you will have a down price going down, like here, you see, if we see here, okay, here we have the peak of the cycle, the price is still going up, so it's anticipating. Then you have the red candle here, okay, you have the cross here, you have exactly the signal when you have the doji candlestick bar here. So the uptrend stops, you have the signals here, and then you have this big sell-off, and the cyclical, the phase, the cyclical phase, so at which period, at which cyclicality period is the price, it crosses through the signal line, and then you have the sell, and then here you have the bottom, and there's a green arrow here, a buy signal. Let me put it black. It comes up, or no, there is the okay, that doesn't matter. Buy probably is this one. Okay, so you have the buy signals here, the dots here. You have a buy zone and a sell zone, which are these lines here, which are popping up. I will put it a bit larger. Okay, this red straight horizontal line is the sell. Okay, so you see that the price has gone above the sell signal. Now it's triggering the sell signal here. Okay, so you have this green arrow here. We capture exactly the point of entry, and here you see it's curve here. So I can try and draw a line for you. You see what it does. Okay, that's what the price does. Okay, so I'm offering you, I'm showing you a thing that I have been able to put all together, and there are a lot of lines and signals. You can have the there is the volatility, the drift line, of course this perhaps the histograms bars, we want to have it a bit smaller. Now on a longer horizon you can see, okay, the drift line is this one. Let's put it black. Okay, now you see all the histograms. Of course this has to be customized properly, and customized in the sense that you have to set it up properly when you buy the product, which will be available here on my store, which is Datarum Algorithmica. I only provide very high quality instruments. Two indicators which are an update is coming for the EWMA, the exponential weighted moving average. Then there is this IVIS signal, which measures the volatility, or the volatility of volatility. It's an incredible thing. Then you have basic stuff, which is rolling standard deviation. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't think there is anything else. It doesn't show me. I have more products. Yeah, then we have Vantage Sigint, which also is a volatility indicator, professional volatility indicator, and soon I'm going to add on the store this other indicator, which shows you the cyclicality of the market. And for example, you have here trough dot and peak dot, which are these dots here. So when the cycle is peaking, you have a red dot, which means you have to sell, like the red arrow here, and then the trough dot here, if I put it like blue, you see it's popping down at the bottom of the panel here, and you have the bottom of, that's how it works. You have the bottom of the cycle here, that's your buy signal. You have the top, it comes up, pops up the red dot, and the red arrows pops up, and there's the sell signal. See, the stock market says the cyclicality of price, etc., etc., etc. So Yes, this will be available soon on the store. And today is Sunday and I'm working, and it's store ctrader store Datarum Algorithmica, and you can email me here datarumalgorithmica@teci.com. Enjoy your Sunday and all the best.